Hello my dream girls. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I created this fusion makeup look. First I prepped my skin with Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Brightening Serum. It is very light on your skin and it hydrates the skin quite well. As I have a dry skin type, I really love using hydrating products. So next I am using this Lakme Absolute Hydra Pro Gel Cream as my moisturizer. I apply it on my skin and then I gently massage it so that it gets really soaked in. And I totally love this product. I recommend this product for any skin type. For my primer, I am taking Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer, and it will provide a great canvas for my makeup and it will make my skin more even. What I love about this primer is that it is enriched with vitamin E, so it nourishes the skin at the same time. Then I'm going in with Lakme 925cc cream in the shade beige, which is my most favorite product from Lakme, and I have taken rather large quantity of this product and I've applied it in dots all over my face, and then I'm using a kabuki brush to blend this product. Normally I apply this product as any other normal cream, but today as I want to build a rather medium coverage, I have went ahead with large quantity of this product. And now I don't even need a concealer. I'll also apply the same product on my eyelid so that it can work as my eye primer. Then I quickly went ahead and defined my eyebrows. For my eyeshadows, I'll be taking Lakme Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette in the shade Pink Paradise, and you can see it has some beautiful vibrant summery colors. And for today's look, I'll be taking this brown shade from the palette. Then with the help of a thin blending brush, I'm defining the outer corner of my eyes. I want to achieve an almond looking eyes, and I am focusing to get the dark pigments on the outer edges of my eyes. Then in the swipe motion, I'll move ahead to go till the inner portion of my eyes. And just like that, I've defined the crease of my eyes and I've also defined the outer corner of my eyes. Also, I'm taking the same brown shade and I'll be defining my lower lash line with the help of a pencil brush. Next, I'm taking this copper peachy shade and I'll apply it all over my eyelid using a flat brush. Also, I'll blend the edges of both the shades so that they look seamlessly blended and there is no harsh line visible between them. Then I'll take Lakme Absolute Moonlit Highlighter and I'll take the lighter shade to highlight the inner corner of my eyes and also to highlight the brow bone area. For my eyeliner, I'm taking Lakme Iconic Eyeliner. And I totally love this eyeliner as it has a very precise brush applicator, so it makes the job of creating a winged eyeliner really easy. For my mascara, I'm taking Iconic Curling Mascara and I like to apply a generous amount of this product on my upper lashes, and then I go ahead and apply the same on my lower lashes as well. For my lip shade, I'm taking Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in the shade Peach Rose from Lakme Absolute range, and this color is really beautiful. It will look good on medium to light skin tone girls. So if you're looking for a peachy pink nude, then this is your color. Now for my contouring, I'll take the darker shade from the Moonlit Highlighter from Lakme and I'll apply it on the places where I want to create shadows on my cheeks and on my jawline, and then I'll blend it so that it looks well put together. Then I'm taking the lighter shade and I'll highlight the tip of my nose, also my cheekbones, and you can see I'm going ahead and applying the same on my collarbone, also my shoulder to highlight it, and this is my final look. Guys, I'll also leave the details of all the products that I've used in my description box so that you can check it out. If you liked watching this video, then please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post content on fashion, makeup and sometimes on travel. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.